I think I had to really sort of stop and forget about the things that I thought I knew and the things that I thought I should, and the idea that I might, be right about something, and just really sort of step back and accept that I perhaps needed to have, an open heart to different things. Resistance, I think I felt like for a little while that I was really playing chicken with myself. I don't know if that resonates with people, but I really was attached to my old way of life. And I really struggled to let go of the things that weren't serving me because they were so comfortable, and that's how I'd lived my life for so long. So yeah, I think that was it. It was just that sort of just settling in and learning to trust myself. So would I do it again? I would just do it. I don't know. But then I wouldn't be here doing it the way I'm doing it now if I'd have done it differently. So I think sometimes we just have to sort of accept ourselves and trust the process and just let ourselves kind of feel what we need to feel. So I guess that's two different answers to the same question, which is probably not very helpful.
No, it's right. It's true, because on one hand, there's the old you. On the other hand, there's the new you that you want, but they're so stuck in the old you and the comfort of that and the frustration. There's a pattern there that you just can't break through.